Do that one that you always do.
What?
I always do.
Well, that is actually a Dolly song.
Yeah.
She sings it like
She wrote it.
Whitney. Yeah.
No,
Is that what you want to do?
it don't matter to me.
Oh, you pick one.
It don't matter. You pick one.
Okay, how about I Will Always Love You?
So, do I need to stand or I can sit?
You
No,
can
you
sit.
can sit, whichever you want to do.
I'd just rather sit.
Okay.
I like standing.
All right.
If I should stand, I will only be in your way. So I am good, but I know I'll take you every step of the way. And I will always love you. Will always love you. You, my darling, you, bittersweet memories. That is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye, please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you need, and I will always love you. Will always love you. Will always love you. I will always love you. Darling, I love you. I'll always love you.
All right. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Try again.
Well, when do you say?
Yeah.
That's beautiful, Tracy. Thank you.